Hello everyone, this is Dom, and in this video we are going to be covering how to retweet um, in Social Studio. Now, right now I'm in the Engage tab, Engage, and you'll notice I actually have content from a number of different VA social media accounts, and some of it is Facebook, and then you see a bit is Twitter. Here's actually from the blog, Vantage Point blog. And if you scroll over here, you can see Secretary Wilkie. So I've pointed out to others that you can actually retweet from Social Studio, and you can. So if you see right here, this little two arrows, kind of one going up and one going down, that is retweet and quote retweet, and you can so you can interact with content with Twitter content from here and retweet it. However, it is a bit more difficult in Social Studio to just start getting this stuff to show up. It needs to show up in an Engage tab, and there's a special way that I had to do that. So if you go into the settings for this column in Engage, you can see this was pulled in. This is a topic profile column, which means it's generated via a topic profile. So if I click in here to edit topic profile and try to see, okay, which one did I select? The topic profile is VA Secretary. Now, we have to figure out, where does VA Secretary come from? So I come over here. This is the admin panel. I opened it up. You get to it from clicking on your little icon here and choosing admin. And then if you go down here, we have topic profiles. Click on that, and the topic profile that we were using is Sec VA, I believe. Was it Sec VA? No, VA Secretary. Sorry, VA Secretary. So look for VA Secretary. VA Secretary. Okay, so click on this and let's see where this one comes from. Well, this one comes from something called a source group. Source group. And the source group is called Sec Wilkie. So now, instead of just a topic profile, we had to go back to source group. And if we scroll down here, we see Sec Wilkie Twitter. Sec Wilkie description, Sec Wilkie Twitter. Click on it, and notice @SecWilkie is in here. So in order for this to happen, you have to create a source group with the secretary's Twitter account, so @SecWilkie, and then you have to use that source group as the input for a topic profile, and that we have as VA Secretary. And then you have to make sure that that is sharing to a workspace that you want to work from. So make sure you set up sharing. Actually, both of these, topic profile and source group, you have to set up sharing. I believe, yeah, this needs to be made public, and the other one has to be shared to the, and the so the source group has to be made public. See, public, and the topic profile has to be shared to the workspace that you are working from. This one's shared to everything pretty much. And then you have to use the topic profile as the input for a column in your Engage tab. So Engage, VA Secretary, notice the settings, set to a topic profile called VA Secretary. So that is how you get specific content from a particular person to pull into an Engage tab. And from here, you can now reply, retweet, DM, like, and otherwise interact with content from a specific person. So hopefully that explains how this is done, and yeah, hopefully that helps.